Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL G2 and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. To see that, open Settings application. In it we must firstly activate our develop mode. We go to the system, not system, about phone, and there we tap on our local server. There we scroll down and look for our build number, where we must tap some time to activate our develop mode. After we activate it, we must enter our look screen to confirm it, but I am in develop mode right now, and when we are in develop mode, we go to the main menu of our settings and choose system, where we have new additional developer options. And there first memory, and now we can read information about our available random access memory that now is 1.2 gigabytes. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.